Welcome back to the CryptoBot channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make an automated trading strategy to maximize profits using ChatGPT artificial intelligence. So definitely stick around. First of all, in order to get started with your very own automated trading strategy, you need to first have two accounts. One account over on TradingView, which is this free charting platform. And TradingView is the free platform that I use in most of my regular update videos here on the channel anyway. But in case you don't already have a TradingView account, I will leave a link to TradingView in the description down below and in the pinned comment. And the other account that you will need for this video is a Pionex account, because Pionex is the platform that offers the ChatGPT, and it is also a crypto exchange that does indeed offer trading and the ability to plug in that automated strategy into your crypto trades. And I will also make sure to leave a link to Pionex in the description down below and in the pinned comment. And in fact, if you use that link below this video, you'll get a 10% discount on all fees forever on your account over at Pionex, and you can also grab some exclusive deposit bonuses when you first make your account, but only if you use the link down below, and that's also a way to help support the channel, so I do appreciate that. But anyway, once you have your Pionex account, which by the way does not require you to upload ID documents, you can just put in your name and country to make your account. And once you do that, you simply come up here to the More tab and then go down to Pionex GPT and click that button, and that will take you over to their Pionex GPT, which is a ChatGPT AI. And basically, this is an artificial intelligence chatbot where you can essentially put in any type of indicator trading strategy. So for example, if you like the Bollinger Band or the MACD or the RSI indicator or moving averages, you can choose any one of those indicators to help make a trading strategy. And all you simply do is type that into the chat right here and type in something, for example, like make me a trading strategy using the 200-day moving average for Bitcoin, and this will give you that strategy. And it also gives you a selection of featured trading strategies, for example, a dollar cost averaging strategy or an RSI strategy or a momentum-based strategy. But just for the purpose of this video, I'll select a strategy to capture channel breakouts. So basically, if the price is breaking above resistance or below support, then this strategy will help make profits from those price movements. And now you don't actually need to know what any of this code means. All you need to do is essentially copy this code, and you can backtest this strategy over on TradingView. So that's why you need a TradingView account. And so if you click this button right here, it takes you over to TradingView over on a new tab. And what you need to do is, first of all, select the crypto that you want to trade. So for example, Bitcoin right here. Also select the time frame that you want to trade on. For example, this right here is on the 1 hour time frame, and then navigate towards the bottom of your page where it says Pine Editor. Click that button and that opens this tab. And then essentially you want to go over here where it says open, click that, and then click strategy. And that simply opens a brand new strategy for you to use. You can delete all of that code that is in there and then paste in that code that you copied from the ChatGPT AI. And so just paste that in right here, and then you can click add to chart, and that adds the strategy to your chart, as you can see. And here in the bottom section, this is a back test, basically testing how this strategy would have performed over time. And then from here, you can adjust the fine details of this strategy. For example, you can click this setting button right here, and if you want to make the trades less frequent, you can increase the length up to something like 20, for example. And as you can see, each of these trades become less frequent compared to a smaller length where it's trading more often. And then here in the properties, you simply put in the initial amount that you want to be trading with. So for example, you place in $1,000. If you're starting off with $1,000, you can change the base currency to USDT, and you can change the order size to 100 USDT. So for example, if you're trading $100 at a time, then these might be settings that you might want to use. Of course, you can put in whatever amounts that you want. And And this is really just to show the back testing, how it would have performed. You can also click list of trades right here to see all of the exact trades that this bot would have made, how much profit and loss each of these trades would have made for you. But over time, if you're looking at the overall performance of this strategy, you can clearly see here in the green that this has been a profitable strategy throughout Bitcoin's history. And now, obviously, it is important to understand that past results do not determine future results. So obviously, just because this has been profitable in the past, that does not actually guarantee anything in the future. But it is still good to see how this bot would have performed before actually contributing any real money towards it. And so, for example, you could see where this trading bot would have bought and where it would have sold or shorted. And so, for example, right up here, just before this crash in the price of Bitcoin, this automated trading bot would have shorted Bitcoin for you, whether you were at the computer or on your phone or not. You could have been sleeping and this trading bot would have made you a lot of money. And then just here before this pump in the price of Bitcoin, and also over here, of course, this trading bot went long, profiting from this short-term bullish price action. And once again, you can change the settings or change the strategy altogether by going back over to the ChatGPT and typing in a different strategy with a different indicator, for example. And now in just a moment, I will actually show you how to automate this strategy and basically plug it into Pionex in order for it to trade on your behalf. But first, I'll quickly mention that there is also this other option over at the Pionex GPT called the GPT Marketplace. And if you click that, that gives you a wide range of options of different strategies that other people have actually made. And you can see in the strategy name, perhaps what type of strategy it is, and also what the performance is over the last 30 days, 90 days, and over the last 1 year using backtesting. And you can also see on the right-hand side the cost of these strategies. So for example, some of these traders would have a profit sharing, for example, 10% profit sharing, meaning if you copy this strategy, then whatever profits you make, you keep 90% and 10% goes to this person. But there are also other trading strategies here that are free, meaning you simply copy them and any profits that you make, you keep 100% of the profits. So for example, if you like the look of, let's just say, this trading strategy, you can click on details. That brings you over to this page where you can actually see the performance of this trading strategy over the last 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, 1 year. And you can also see this trading strategy's performance versus just holding Bitcoin. And so obviously, based on backtesting this strategy throughout history, you can see that this strategy in particular has been rapidly outperforming simply just holding Bitcoin. And you can also see that on average, this trading strategy makes around 47 transactions per week, meaning each week this strategy will automatically trade 47 times on your account. So 47 buys or sells. And if all of that looked good to you, you could click this subscribe button, which for the free strategies, you could just click straight away, not have to pay anything. And then you can select the coin to use this strategy. Now, some of these trading strategies are very limited in the coins that they are using. So just be aware, you can't just use any coin for any strategy. You have to pick and choose which strategy will allow which coin. But basically, you come up here, if there are multiple coins, you can perhaps make that selection, and then you can select leverage 1, 2, or 3x. Obviously, the lower the leverage, the lower the risk. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk. But compared to some exchanges out there that offer over 100x leverage, 3x leverage isn't all that significant. And then you can simply put in the amount that you actually want to put in the trading bot. The minimum amount on a 1x leverage is 50 USDT. So for example, if you put in 50 USDT, you can then click start copying, which I will just for this video, and then click OK. And as you can see here, that opens a new trading bot, trading that FXS token. And for as long as this trading bot is running and open, it is essentially making automated trades as soon as those signals pop up. And in order to stop the bot, you simply click this button right here, stop the bot. You click OK, and that basically cancels the bot and puts your initial USDT back into your Pionex account. And now, obviously, if you've been running the bot for a while and it's made a bunch of trades, clearly you could be in a profit or loss when you actually close the bot. So that is for you to decide. But anyway, that is just the GPT Marketplace, which are pre-made trading strategies by a bunch of these other users. But just continuing with the first first example with this trading strategy that ChatGPT made for us. And we can automate this trading strategy by going up here, clicking that trade button, which will take you to this page right here. And obviously this page is somewhat similar to other exchanges where you can manually trade Bitcoin and a bunch of other cryptos if you want to on the spot market or the futures market. But on the left hand side, you can see this list of trading bots. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see Signal Bot. Click Create Signal Bot and then click Create TradingView Custom Signal. And over here in the signal name, you can put in whatever name you want. So for example, we can put in that trading strategy, the breakout trading strategy. And then after that, you simply click Continue, which will bring you over to a tutorial. You can watch that if you want. Otherwise, you could just click Yes and Continue. And right here, you will see a webhook link and a message. And what you first do is click Copy on the webhook link. And then you come back over to your trading view where you had that indicator strategy set up. And then what you do next is navigate to over where you see this trading strategy, which right here is that channel breakout strategy. And then click those three dots. And then from there, you click Add Alert for this strategy. That will bring up this tab just here. And then first of all, in the notifications tab, you click webhook URL, and then you paste in that webhook link right here. And then if you head back over to that settings tab, you'll see here that you'll need a message, which is where you head back over to this page over on Pionex. You click copy for that message, come back over to TradingView, delete whatever is already there and paste in that Pionex message. And then from there, you simply click create, and that simply creates that strategy. And once you've done that, you head back over to Pionex, click yes, I've finished this step. There is also a tutorial here that you can watch, and then you click confirm, and that basically creates this trading strategy. And then you click use this signal, and over here you've got your trading strategy on the left hand side, and from here you can select whatever trading pair you want. Now it is important to mention that if you're setting up this trading strategy for Bitcoin over on TradingView, then you should also use the same trading pair for this strategy on Pionex. It's no use getting indicators and signals for another coin and then trading a completely different coin, because obviously you could then get false signals. So if you're wanting to trade another coin, you must first set this up over on TradingView for that coin and essentially keep that coin the same throughout this entire process, because you don't want to get false signals for a different coin, which would open or close a trade for Bitcoin or another coin, for example. But anyway, considering I've been using Bitcoin for this example, you simply type in BTC to USDT, click that option, and then you can select the leverage from 1x all the way up to 10x leverage. Of course, that is up to you. Once again, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. The lower the leverage, the lower the risk, the less volatile this will be. And once again, for 1x leverage, the minimum investment is 50 USDT. If you're on a 10x leverage, then the minimum investment is 5 USDT, because the 10x leverage multiplies that investment by 10. So just for this example, I'll go 1x leverage again, put in the minimum amount, which is 50 USDT. And you can also go into advanced settings just here and place a stop loss or take profit if you want to, or you can simply just let the strategy run by itself once you're comfortable with backtesting it over on TradingView first. And then obviously you can close it whenever you want manually. And so once you're happy with all of these settings, you've selected the trading pair, the leverage, the investment amount, you can click create the bot, which actually creates the trading bot, and click OK. And as you can see here, this is now creating that trading bot, turning that previous automated strategy into an actual trading bot that is trading for you over on Pionex. As you can see right here, this is now running on my Pionex account. And basically, as soon as one of those signals flashes here on TradingView, automatically using this indicator, then that will automatically enter me into a trade based on that signal. It would either be a short position or a long position. And over time, this will hopefully accrue profit. And once again, based on backtesting this indicator on TradingView, this historically has been a profitable trading strategy. So that is the full process, all the way from ChatGPT giving you this trading strategy to then adding that over on TradingView to then actually automating this trading strategy over on Pionex, turning it into a trading bot that trades 24/7, even if you're asleep. And then obviously when you're finished with this trading bot, if you want to close it after you've made a bunch of profits and you want to withdraw that from the exchange, or if you want to cut losses, then you can come over here, click that cancel button, and then simply confirm this action by clicking OK, and that cancels the trading bot. That exits you out of that trading strategy. And once again, on Pionex, you can manually trade if you want to, like basically any other crypto exchange, by longing, shorting, or even just buying on the spot market with no leverage. And it is worth mentioning that this is an exchange that has proof of reserves, so it doesn't have another FTX situation. But regardless of that being the case, personally, I only keep the money that I'm actually trading with on an exchange, and any money that's just sitting there, any crypto that's just sitting there, I personally withdraw that from the exchange and have that sitting in self-custody in cold storage. But anyway, that's basically it for this video. That is the entire process from ChatGPT to an automated trading strategy explained. And if you found this video useful, please make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And if you want to check out any of my other videos, I have a couple videos popping up right here on your screen if you want to check those out. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video.